This is our die production workshop. The first process of manufacturing die. The nested sintering room. This is the sintering machine, and this die is sintered on this machine. After the sintering is finished, it comes to the second process, reaming machine. This is the third process, the mold laser room. After we set the sleeve out, the die is without holes. We need to send the die to do laser punching, and the machine will be customized according to the customer's requirement of how big a hole to punch. Here is the fourth process, quality room. Let's take a look at exactly how the measurement is done. As an example, this is a 0.006 die. Put it on the machine and then make repeated measurements 100 times. The fifth process, forming machine. The function of the forming machine is to polish the shape of the whole of the mold. Our master has been doing this work for more than 20 years. Then comes the sixth process, reaming machine. This is the reaming machine. This is the seventh process, grinding. This is the grinding machine, often used in the polishing of dies. This is the last process, setting machine. After the die grinding, it needs to be cleaned. After cleaning, you need to come to the last step, which is to test the product with the setting machine. This is a microscope to check whether the whole of the die is qualified or not.